Hey there, today I'm going to do my first try at brining our quail. So today I'm making the brine. I have picked some fresh rosemary, fresh lemon thyme, some pineapple sage here out of my herb garden. And so the ratio is a quarter cup of salt to a quart of water. And I've got 4 quarts here of water, and then we're just gonna bring it to a simmer. I'm fixing to add in my salt, and then you can add in your garlic powder, just a taste, basically, whatever makes you happy. I love garlic powder, so I'll probably add quite a bit. But, oh, and also bay leaves. I'm gonna add some bay leaves in here too. So let's get it started. Just adding in garlic powder. Like I said, I like garlic. So that'll do. And then this is the salt. And then I'm gonna let it simmer and stir it all around. We're gonna simmer this for about 20 to 30 minutes. All right, so the brine's done cooling out here on the stove. Now it's cool enough that I can put it in a container to finish cooling it down to about 40 or 50 degrees before I pour it over the quail. Now we have it in a bowl with a lid. I'm gonna stick it in the refrigerator, let it cool down the rest of the way before I add it to the quail. Now I'm gonna pour the brine into the quail. Also transferring the herbs over with the brine when you put it in with the quail. So we're gonna let the quail sit all night. Typically people just do it overnight and then, get it out the next afternoon or next day. I have to work tomorrow. So when I get home from work tomorrow, I'm gonna get it out and then we will seal them all up.